Syngonium plant. It is in a 14-inch pot, and you can see it is root bound, and it was also broken by my cats. You can see they climb on it, so it got broken. Now I am going to replant this Syngonium plant. It's a very good indoor plant and very low maintenance. You just plant it in a pot and fertilize it twice with the compost, and it's a wonderful indoor plant. It thrives in temperature from 25 degree to 35 degree. Above 35 its leaf will burn like this, and plant will become very stressful, and it will stop growing. You can see root bound. The roots broke the pot, and now I am going to cut it back, plant some cuttings, and replant it in a smaller pot. This plant was planted in this pot 4 years ago. After 4 years it got very big and became root bound. So we are going to show you how to plant the cuttings and replant the Syngonium plant. It is available in the nurseries with the name of Syngonium, and you can also ask for arrowhead. It's a very beautiful plant and a beautiful choice for indoor gardeners. So let's begin our video. First we have to cut it back. Okay, maybe this is our perfect cutting. You can see there are roots in it, so we are going to plant this as cutting. Okay, we have got our plant out. You can see this could be grown as cutting too, and this is our properly rooted plant. Now let's just break the pot and remove the soil from this. So now let's get a 10-inch pot for the plant. dig up the soil and this soil was in the pot will be compost, so we do not need to add the compost. So let's plant this plant in this. You can see now this is a small plant and it has this big branch too, so we are going to plant it as it is. And I am going to place it where the big plant was. And I am going to plant the cutting in the same pot. You just have to remove the soil and put your cutting like this and bury. You can plant Syngonium cuttings anytime, just you have to control the moisture and it will get better. So this is our Syngonium plant.